So we're looking at landing under our center of mass. So as we start running on the spot, we can see very clearly that the foot is landing underneath the center of mass. In fact, it's even slightly behind the center of mass. And then what we're going to do is just very slowly start to lean forwards from the ankle. So almost like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, just kind of slowly tilting forward. So the angle of our body is just, a few degrees lean. That'll start to take our momentum forwards as slowly as we can. And if we just have a look at the point at which I take the load on the foot there, so just about there, and draw a line up. I missed it there. From the lateral malleolus, you can see it's very much landing under my center of mass there, so I'm not overstriding at all. And then I'm just going to continue getting slowly faster. And as I go out the shot there, eventually I would come up to full speed. And then I would just slow down and stop, and then go back and repeat the drill, usually about 5 times so. Jogging on the spot, or running on the spot, sorry. Then slightly leaning forwards, trying to keep that same step rate, that same cadence, very slowly speeding up until I reach my normal running speed. And the whole time I'll end up landing under my center of mass. I'm going to practice that drill about 4 or 5 times every run for a few weeks to get the feel of it. And then see if when I'm doing my normal running, is my foot coming back and landing under my center of mass the way it is when I run on the spot.